My name is Marilyn Vaughn, and I'm retired. I've been reading about the Rogue, and I decided to get me one. My granddaughter has one, and I like the ride, and I love the way the way it looks. It was great. They were very courteous. They helped me with all the details of buying the car, and showed me some videos on it, and told me if I needed anything, who to contact, and they were really beneficial. Yes, I would recommend Car. Like I said, they're courteous. They take their time with you. They explain everything, and I would recommend them.